Okay, let's go again. So yeah, okay, Marita 2133. Actually, I haven't lost many rating points losing to those guys. Let's try From Gambit. What's she going for the From? If she knows what she's doing, I assume it's a she, but if she knows what she's doing, I'm probably in trouble. Marita on something. So I picked up this line from PLR ages ago, but I think there's a Queen D3, world time Queen D3, which gives white advantage. So I shouldn't really play this. This is just really unsound. Queen D3 here just to stop the cheapo. Rook H2. Okay, and now white's just better. It's probably a reason to play the birds to get this position. Carry on anyway. So I'm going to be prepared to sack a piece, of course, on E5. Here actually, can't I just... tempted for Rook H2, but my bishop's on pretty end of it, so what about just moving this rook to put pressure as knight D2? Okay. Knight E5 is not on the cards, I guess. Knight E5 takes is nothing. Alright, so knight D2 is going to happen. So I could just give up this piece now, or it's a bit miserable really. I don't want to spend too much time on this, but this looks like a virtually lost position really. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh. I give up a bishop for nothing. Oh dear. Give up this bishop on F5. Okay, try and target E3. There's bishop F4. Or just knight E4. Taking that. If I take here, do I get? Oh, it's check. So I'm losing another piece. I've just lost two pieces. Totally successful opening for white. I shouldn't have played this. I knew it was very bad for black. Whoops, I'll resign. Ouch. Back to 2206 after that. So that's how not to play against the From Gambit. And there's this guy on Chessvault who's also beating me every time in this line. It's because it's actually a very bad system. Once white gets the centre, you've just lost the whole centre. So I've managed to just lose another piece and another piece. Oh well, don't do this in your own games. Okay, thanks very much. Comments or questions on YouTube. Cheers.